Hello future engineers, there is another video in integral calculus, particularly on integration of indefinite integrals. If you want the techniques, guides on how to evaluate them correctly, then you may proceed to integral calculus mix integral of indefinite integrals part 0. So you have there the guides, the techniques on how to evaluate integrals correctly. So in this video, I, I'll call 51B because I cannot clearly read the problem on exercise 51 from the book by Love and Rainville. Miscellaneous exercises. You just look at pages 251, 252, 253, 254. I forgot the pages, but these problems belong to miscellaneous exercises. So for number 1, integral of x cubed dx over quantity x cubed plus 8 square, we will put u be x, so that differential u is dx. Then the remaining integrand would be x squared dx over quantity x cubed plus 8 square, which can be evaluated by power formula, introducing 1/3, of course. So dv is 1/3 of 3x squared dx over quantity x cubed plus 8 to the 2. So this is in the form 1/3, uh, 1/3 of quantity u to the negative 2, then du. The integral is 1/3 of u to the negative 1 over negative 1. So that would be negative 1 over 3 quantity x cubed plus 8. So because this is integration by parts, we have uv, so negative x over 3 quantity x cubed plus 8. Then minus integral of v du, so minus negative, so plus 1/3 integral of dx over x cubed plus 8. So the denominator, this is a fraction where the denominator can be factored as product of linear and quadratic factors. So we have x plus 2 quantity x squared minus 2x plus 4. So let's focus on this integral here. So we have 1 over quantity x plus 2, quantity x squared minus 2x plus 4, the product of x cubed plus 2 cubed or x cubed plus 8 equals a over x plus 2 for the linear part. Then we have quadratic here. We anticipate the integral, which is ln, so we put the coefficient, the factor of the coefficient b by the differential derivative of the denominator, which is 2x minus 2, then plus the constant term, because the numerator should be linear if the denominator is a quadratic factor. So first, we multiply everything by the LCD. So 1 equals a times quantity x squared minus 2x plus 4 plus quantity b times 2x minus 2 plus c closed, then times x plus 2. We set x equals negative 2 to evaluate a. So that would be 1 equals a times 2 minus 2 times negative 2, so plus a times quantity negative 2 square, so 4 minus 2 times negative 2, another 4 plus 4, so that would be a times 12. So that means a is 112. Then we set coefficients of x squared. In the left side, there's no x squared, so 0. In the right side, we have a coefficient of x squared a, then we have 2x times x, so 2x squared. The coefficient of x squared of the second term is 2b. So for coefficients of x squared, we equate 0 equals a times a plus 2 times b. Since a is 1/12, we can solve for b negative 1/12 over 2, so b is negative 1 over 24. Then to solve for c, we just we just set x equals 0, for example. So 1 equals a times 4, then plus b times negative 2 plus c, then close times x is 0, so times 2. 1 equals a, which is 1 over 12, times 4 plus negative 1 over 24 times negative 2 plus c times 2. So 1 minus 4 over 12, 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3, divided by 2 is 1/3, then minus 1/12, c is 1/4. Substitute into this integral. So integral of x cubed dx over quantity x cubed plus 8 square is equal to, we copy the first term, then we have 1/3 of integral of quantity 1 over 24 over x plus 2 plus negative 1 over 24 times 2x minus 2 plus c 1/4 over denominator x4 minus 2x plus 4. So if we distribute 1/3, we have 1 over 36 ln of x plus 2. Then 1/3 of negative 1 over 24 is negative 1 over 72 ln of x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then we concentrate in the last term, 1/12 integral of dx over x squared minus 2x plus 4. So for the last part, that's negative x over 3 quantity x cubed plus 8. We copy this, then plus 1 over 36 ln of x plus 2 minus 1 over 72 ln of x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then the last term is 1/12 integral of dx over x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 3. So if we let u be x minus 1, differential is dx. This is in the form arctan, where a is square root of 3. So finally, integral of x cubed dx over quantity x cubed plus 8 square is equal to negative x over 3 quantity x cubed plus 8 plus 1 over 36 ln of x plus 2. We just copy this 3 terms. Then 1/12, 1 over square root of 3, 1/12, 1 over square root of 3, so that's square root of 3 over 36. 1/12, 1 over square root of 3 arctan of quantity x minus 1 over square root of 3 plus c. Then simplifying, integral of x cubed dx over x cubed plus 8 quantity square is equal to, we copy the terms, then the last is square root of plus square root of 3 over 36 arctan of quantity x minus 1 over square root of 3 plus c. So that's it for problem 51b. For problem 52b, if you let u be y square, the differential is 2y dy. There's already y here, so 1/2 integral of 2y dy over 4 plus y square square in preparation for arctan. So we rewrite this as 1/2 integral of quantity 2y dy over 4 plus y square quantity square. So this is in the form du over 4 plus u square. So that would be 1/2, then times 1/2, so 1/4, because a is 2, arctan of y square over 2 plus c. So 1/4 arctan of y square over 2 plus c. Then problem 53, if we let u be the denominator, the differential is in the numerator, so that's ln. ln of quantity y cubed plus 2y minus 7. So we can answer this directly. That's ln of quantity y cubed plus 2y minus 7 plus c. Then for the last part, PT4, we rearrange this. Integral dy over 4y minus 25 minus 4y squared is equal to integral of dy over negative of quantity 24 plus 2y minus 1 square. So if you check 24, then we have plus 1. So 25, negative of 25 is negative 25. Then second term here is negative 4y. Negative 4y times negative, we factor out negative 1. So that would be positive 4y. The first term of this quantity is positive 4y squared times negative 1. So negative 4y squared. So that checks. So if you let u be 2y minus 1, the differential is 2 dy. So we introduce 1 half. So that would be negative of 1 half because of this negative 1 here. Integral of 2 dy over quantity 24 plus 2y minus 1 quantity squared. So this is in the form du in the numerator, in the denominator a squared plus u squared, where a is square root of 24 and square root of 24 is 2 square root of 6 and u is 2y minus 1. So that would be 1 over 2 square root, so 1 over 4 square root of 6 arctan of 2y minus 1 over 2 square root of 6 plus c. 2 square root of 6 is square root of 24. So that's it for this video.